North Luzon Expressway or NLEX Corporation President J. Luigi Bautista said that they will invest in road enhancement projects this year for the country's economic growth and reduce travel time of the motoring public. NLEX is eyeing on building new roads for a safer travel while also seeking to implement regular pavement repair and bridge strengthening programs and improve toll systems and traffic safety devices for a better customer experience. The Department of Budget and Management announced that the fourth and final tranche of mandated salary increases for government employees has took effect on January 1st of this year. Max Legaspi fills us in with the details.
The Department of Budget and Management, or DBM, confirmed that the fourth and final tranche of mandated salary increases for government employees went into effect on January 1 of this year. DBM Secretary Amena Pangandaman announced that government employees can now expect to be paid more despite rising prices for basic goods and services. Pangandaman stated that they are firmly committed to supporting them in the face of rising goods and services prices. She added that they hope that the latest salary increase will help to mitigate the effects of inflation. Former President Rodrigo Duterte signed Republic Act No. 11466, also known as the Salary Standardization Law or SSL, which provides civilian government employees with another round of salary increases from 2020 to 2023. Pangandaman recently signed two separate budget circulars pertaining to the implementation of the fourth tranche of the salary schedule for civilian personnel and local government unit employees. For Golden Nation Network, this is Max Legaspi.
In other events, Presidential Communications Office Secretary Sheloy Garafil said that President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. ordered the National Disaster Risk Reduction Management Council or NDRRMC to closely monitor areas of the country that are still experiencing heavy rains and flooding. President Marcos Jr. has also directed NDRRMC to continue rendering assistance to the local government units involved and their constituents. Marcos Jr. issued this decree following his visit to the provinces of Misamis Occidental and Misamis Oriental, which were among those devastated by intense rain and floods since last month. For Senate updates, Senator Christopher Bongo focuses on providing better healthcare system in the country. Senator Bongo is confident that the country and the government will provide easy access to medical services by building more super healthcare centers for indigent residents who have to travel to the city hospital. He added that 307 super healthcare centers were built in 2022 and that the government is eyeing to open 322 more centers this year. On to lower house updates, Davao City's first representative Paulo Duterte pointed out the need to pass a measure protecting freelancers from abuse and exploitation. The lawmaker urged to take notice of the number of proposed bills alike that have already been filed and are all pending for approval, highlighting that with the absence or lack of protection provided, freelancers are employed with vague and unclear working conditions. One of the proposed bills include House Bill 3738, which mandates written contracts for freelancers to avail services, including night differential and hazard pay. Department of Foreign Affairs Secretary Enrique Manalo said that Association of Southeast Asian Nations or ASEAN member countries play a significant role in maintaining peace and stability in the region in spite of tensions between growing powers like United States and China. Manalo noted that if this role were to take shape, it could enhance regional growth and development. He added that other ASEAN countries are also impacted by the rivalry between the two nations. In another story, United Kingdom Ambassador Laure Bufils met with Bases Conversion and Development Authority or BCDA Chairman Delphine Lorenzana, President Aileen Zosa and other officials from the British Embassy Manila to deal on new areas of collaboration in the New Clark City or NCC progress. The UK ambassador supports BCDA by implementing their Global Future Cities program, which assists the progress of the Central Park Housing Project in NCC. Also, BCDA aspires to transform NCC into a sustainable environment that promotes community well-being and inclusion. the Department of Social Welfare and Development or DSWD and the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region or SAR commit to working closely together on intensifying mechanisms to safeguard the well-being of Filipinos abroad. In a meeting, DSWD Officer in Charge Eduardo Punay and Labor and Welfare Bureau Secretary Chris Son of Hong Kong SAR expressed support for establishing meaningful social welfare programs and services for Filipino household workers, especially in medical and healthcare needs. Currently, DSWD has provided social welfare projects for overseas Filipinos in Hong Kong, which include psychosocial services, assistance to individuals in crisis situations, pre-marriage and marriage counseling, referral services, socio-cultural and capability building activities, repatriation programs, and reintegration services. Up next, a news focus. Marikina City Mayor Marcy Teodoro urges DPWH NCR to repair Marikina Beach. Peso strengthens ahead inflation hits 6-month high in trading. Cordillera DRRMC conducts pre-disaster risk assessment for Panagbenga Festival. Stay tuned for more stories and reports when News Force returns.